Welcome to my retirement calculator page. In all my calculators that I've built, this one is probably most important because it solves a big problem, or it aims to solve a big problem, and the calculation will show you that there is a problem. I've made the calculator very simple. You can go to your financial advisor and he can do a retirement needs analysis for you, and you will see the document he'll give you is going to be a couple of pages long because they're going to put in all your assets, all your liabilities, all your savings, your pension fund, everything. I wanted to nail this down in a very simple calculator so that you can just get an idea of how it works. Now you'll find when you go to a financial advisor and do a proper calculation that the figures may look a bit different, but the basic idea of what it looks like is going to be the same, and the problem is definitely going to be the same, and you can test me to prove it. Okay, in my example I'm just showing you how to use this calculator. The person is 40 years old, retirement 65, inflation rate I'm going to put in 6%, and we can argue about inflation. But this inflation rate's got a huge effect, and that's why governments make such a big hoo-ha about inflation. They want to show the audience or the voters or everybody that it's as low as possible. But you just look at the medical aid inflation, and I don't really believe the government, but I'm not an inflation expert. But I'm putting in 6% just for the use of this calculator. Capital growth rate, let's put in 10% because that's a good benchmark that is used in the insurance industry. The tax rate for this person is 36%. You'll see an image. I'll include an image of my tax calculator where I got that figure from. If you do not know what your tax rate is, I've got a tax calculator on my bundle of calculators. Go and work out your tax rate. Otherwise, look for a payslip. Find your tax rate if this calculation is important to you. Monthly income needed after tax. Now this person said he wanted as close as what he's earning now in retirement. After tax, it's roughly about 35,000 Rand. Press calculate. The pre-tax monthly income needed today is 54,687.50. That's just the calculator reverse engineering how much money you need in order to get to 35,000 Rand. Monthly income at retirement, it's going to be 234,711. Now this is where most people get lost because they do not understand these figures. If you need 35,000 Rand now, how is that going to be 234,000? The thing is, if you do earn 50,000 before tax now and you get a 6% per annum increase, that is what your income is going to be at the age of 65. Total capital required in order to get 234,000 a month, you need 38,678,000. How much do you need to save? 52,463. Now, this is the reason why the products that the insurance industry sells is not getting the average person to retirement. It's because you cannot afford to save more than what you earn. Go and test me by getting your advisor to do this calculation for you and see how much you need to save and see if you can afford what he tells you to save. Now what happens in reality? People see these figures, the guy is going to show it to you, his needs analysis box is going to be ticked because he did show you this figure, and now he's going to ask you the question, but how much can you afford? You're going to say, okay, I can maybe afford 2,000 or 3,000 Rand a month, and then you buy a policy of 2,000 or 3,000 Rand a month, but in actual fact you need to save 52,000. Statistics say that more than 90% of people is unable to retire or have enough money in retirement, and this is the reason why. If you look at the link that I've created below this video, I'm going to show you a next calculator. And this calculator will open your mind things that you can do. I must warn you, there is no easy solution. But if you are serious finding a solution, maybe the calculator will open up your mind to start look for alternative investment plans. I'll see you in one of my next videos. Cheers, bye.